Right guys, quick video today. We're just looking at LiPo charging, following on from the video a couple of weeks ago, looking at LiPo basics. So first thing first, if you get yourself a charger like this, do yourself a favour, take it over this way and in there. And get yourself something like this. This is an IMAX B6 and this is a cheap balance charger. So first things first, how do you plug it in? Well, balance lead. Sorry for the terrible lighting again, there's no good lighting in this house. This balance lead goes in the balance port just there. You can get it in, there we go. And then you connect your battery to the charger like you would connect it to your RC car. Then you've got some options on your charger. So, if we go back, we've got a Lipo battery, if you can see that. Got Lipo, okay, Lipo battery, Lipo charge, Lipo balance, Lipo fast charge, Lipo storage, Lipo discharge, and back to the beginning. So Lipo balance to charge, start. And then you've got an option for amps there. So the battery we are charging is a 5200 milliamp hour battery. So that's 5.2 amps. And nearly every battery manufacturer recommends you charge at 1C. So 1C will be 5.2 amps. And that's what we've got already. Oh, that's handy. And it's a 2S 7.4 volt battery. So as you can see there, we're on 7.4 volt 2S, but you can change that with this button here. Up to, up to 3S, 4S, but we want 2S. So that's going to do, I'm going to hold this button down until it starts. And one more time. And we're charging. Now a few things I've seen come up recently in RC groups from beginners is that these batteries here say, body lighting's awful. They don't say that. They say 7.4 volts. But when this is fully charged, this will say 8.4 volts and that's perfectly fine. The batteries are rated for 7.4 volts. But when they're fully charged, they're 8.4 volts. Is it 8.4? 8.2? Yeah, 8.4. But they're rated for 3.7 volts per cell, which is 7.4 volts for 2S, or 11.1 volts for 3S, and so on and so forth. But when they're charged, they're rated at 4.2 volts a cell. So 8.4 volts for 2S, and I can't work out the math, bear with me a second. 12.6 for 3S, I think it is. So no need to fret. And this is a balance charger, so this will balance all the cells individually. I'll make sure they're all okay. So if we flick over here, you see all the individual cells there, 3.62, 3.62, oh no, 3.63 now. That's perfectly fine. These are really good cheap chargers. I found this really good. That charger I showed you in the first picture there, about 12-13 quid. They're absolutely useless, don't buy one. And another day we'll look at discharging as well, and we'll look at storage charging, which is a good idea for keeping your LiPos in good check. Anyway, that's the basics on how to charge a LiPo, guys. Thanks for watching. You guys take care.